Where should I go for help with a behavioral addiction?
The unfortunate thing is in this country, there are very few treatment resources for a behavioral addiction. There are some, but there is not a lot. If you had a chemical addiction, you'd find one probably on every corner. But for behavioral addictions, it's quite difficult to find. If you're going to go about finding a recovery program and more a cognitive behavioral one, probably the easiest one to identify is a private clinician, private psychologist, social worker, mental health professional in your community. The best place to find that is in your phone book or information. You call up and you ask the local psychological association, and as well as call up the National Organization of Cognitive Behavioral Therapists, or go online and look for a professional within your community. Beyond doing private one-on-one or private group, there's inpatient, not a lot, but there are a few inpatient facilities around the country. There are some outpatient facilities. That means that you don't go in, you don't check yourself in, you don't sleep there. There's support groups, not a lot. There's Smart Recovery, where the individual wants an abstinence goal. There's Moderation Management, which is for harm reduction goal, but there's not a lot of support group on that level. But there are internet chat rooms and there are internet sort of resources that aren't exactly formalized support groups, but you can get some accurate and solid information on approaching it from a cognitive behavioral standpoint.